guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's cookie day. So I have two really amazing cookies lined up and I'm going to make it right for you. The first cookie today is a very simple 3-ingredient peanut butter cookie. So it checks all the right boxes: vegan, gluten-free, and of course it's completely vegetarian. And the other one is a classic chocolate chip cookie. Let's get started. So I'm going to begin with my 3-ingredient vegan, gluten-free peanut butter cookie. Let's grab a bowl. So I have taken 225 grams of peanut butter, and this is a regular store commercial brand peanut butter. This is not pure 100% peanut paste, because जब आप pure paste use करेंगे तो perfect cookie नहीं बनेगी. I have here 225 grams of sugar. Here's the lovely egg substitute of flaxseed powder and water. तो 1 tablespoon flaxseed powder को मैंने 3 tablespoon water में भिगा के about 20 minutes I have kept it. So ये जो ratio है 1 tablespoon flaxseed powder and 3 tablespoon water is just a perfect substitute for 1 egg. Let's start folding it in. We are going to mix it till it's smooth and the sugar and the peanut butter combines nicely. So पहले when you add the sugar to the peanut butter, ये काफ़ी hard हो जाता है. So ये just थोड़ा सा वक्त के लिए मेहनत का काम है, पर इसका जो फल है is too good. The type of peanut butter you choose is really important. So make sure you don't pick up the chunky peanut butter. Reach out for the smooth and creamy peanut butter, because that's what's going to really make sure that your peanut butter dough is perfect. So my dough has come together and now we're going to start rolling and baking. So I'm going to gently press a crisscross pattern on the cookie, but make sure I don't press it too hard because you don't want to flatten the cookie. Otherwise, it's going to spread too much while you bake it. तो आज की टिप, जो आइटम है, जो पीनट बटर 3-ingredient कुकी की रेसिपी है, that is really delicious. और यदि आपको कुकी नहीं बनाना हो, बेक नहीं करना हो, then you can just roll it into delicious peanut butter laddus and you can snack on it. It is so fresh and so healthy, and of course it's egg free. और दूसरी एक टिप है that you made just as a surprise. You can dip these tiny little peanut balls in chocolate, and that's going to be a delicious peanut butter centered chocolate. So I'm going to bake my cookies in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade, and I'm going to just let it bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Wow, the cookies are ready and it's so yummy because it's fragrant. My whole house is smelling yummy. and we need to cool it before we plate it. So I'm going to leave it out to cool down while I get a nice pretty plate. So my peanut butter cookies are ready. I'm going to set it aside and start with the classic chocolate chip cookie recipe, which is going to be so delicious, you're going to love it. So I have here about 350 gram maida. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and I'm just going to make sure that it's perfectly mixed together so the baking soda and the salt is evenly spread in the maida. In my second bowl, I'm going to mix my wet ingredients along with sugars. So I've melted 1 cup butter, I have here 1/4 cup brown sugar or 1/4 cup white sugar. I'm going to fold it in and then start whisking. We want the butter and the sugars to just melt and mix into a smooth little mixture. So with a whisk, I'm just quickly going to start getting it all to combine well. So it takes 1 minute at least for the sugar to start melting and combining. I'm going to add my eggs. Start whisking this nicely to make a beautiful batter. So I've been whisking it for about a minute. The egg and the sugar and the butter has combined into a nice silky smooth mixture. अभी मैं vanilla essence थोड़ा सा ऐड करूंगी. So my butter, sugar and egg mixture is nice and smooth. अभी मैं मैदा ऐड करूंगी जिसमें मैंने बेकिंग सोडा एंड सॉल्ट रेडी रखा है. तो चलो थोड़ा थोड़ा हम ये ऐड करते हैं. अभी मैं स्पैचुला यूज़ करूँगी बिकॉज विस्क के अंदर मेरा जो बैटर है वो फंस रहा है. एंड दिस इज़ द परफेक्ट टाइम टू स्टार्ट यूजिंग द कट फोल्ड मेथड बिकॉज वी वांट अ लवली बैटर. एज यू कैन सी द बैटर हैज़ कम टुगेदर ब्यूटिफुली. और अभी हमारा फेवरेट पार्ट, लेट्स ऐड 1 कप ऑफ चॉकलेट चिप्स. तो मैंने 1 कप डार्क चॉकलेट चिप्स डाला है बिकॉज आई लव चॉकलेट एंड आई लव लॉट्स ऑफ चॉकलेट. पर यदि आपको मिल्क चॉकलेट अच्छा लगता है या वाइट, या आपको कम चॉकलेट चिप्स इस्तेमाल करना है या ज़्यादा, प्लीज़ फील फ्री टू मॉडिफाई द चॉकलेट चिप इंग्रेडिएंट इन दिस रेसिपी. ये क्लासिक चॉकलेट चिप रेसिपी का जो बैटर है दैट इज़ कम्प्लीटली रेडी. अभी हम बेक की तैयारी करेंगे, पर बेकिंग के पहले हमें ये स्कूप आउट करके वी नीड टू कीप इट इन द फ्रिज एट लीस्ट फॉर 1 आवर बिकॉज ये जो हेल्प करेगा, इट विल नॉट स्प्रेड अ कुकी टू मच जब हम बेक करेंगे. तो वी आर गोइंग टू टेक अ बेकिंग ट्रे, line it with parchment paper, and we're going to use a scooper to scoop out the dough and set it on the baking tray. My classic chocolate chip cookies are ready. I'm going to pop it in the fridge for 1 hour so they set nicely, and then straight into an oven which is preheated at 190 degrees centigrade, and I'm going to bake my cookies for 12 to 15 minutes. My cookies are warm and ready to plate, or should I say ready to eat. But it tastes amazing after you cool it, of course, for about 15 to 20 minutes, and make sure you plate it perfectly so it looks as good as it tastes. हमारी cookies ठंडी हो गई है, and I'm going to plate it right away. Cookies are ready, and oh my god, they smell delicious. But what I'm going to do for you, I've reserved one cookie क्योंकि मैं ये वाला cookie को तोड़ के आपको बताऊंगी अंदर से how soft and scrumptious, and the texture is so good. Just look at it. It's loaded, it's deliciously baked, and it's soft. It's perfect with any beverage, anytime, anywhere. I hope you're going to try this recipe, and I know you're going to like it. Please let me know what you think. Please make sure that you're going to head to my YouTube channel and you're going to like, share, and subscribe. Please make sure you hit the bell notification, and every time you do that, you're gonna get so many lovely new recipes waiting just for you. I look forward to seeing you soon. Stay fit and stay so happy.